Channels pulling in 13 million subscribers and 250 million views, 144 million views, purely by posting simple Stickman content. Countless creators are making thousands a month replicating this exact look. But before we build this, here's a secret. I'm going to show you how to download your final AI animation loops with 0 watermarks or logos completely free at the end of the breakdown. Let's dive in. First, head to Google or Pinterest, grab a minimalist Stickman-based figure vector and save it. Now, go to the description below and grab our master engine prompt. Instead of running back and forth, this single prompt generates your concepts, full multi-scene scripts, layout images, and motion tracking codes all in one single go inside ChatGPT. You just have to enter the topic. Copy your scene one image prompt from the ChatGPT readout and open Google Flow. Upload your base Stickman figure, hit the 3 dots and choose Add to Prompt to anchor your character design. Paste the prompt layout and hit Generate. Repeat this exact sequence for all your scenes to keep the art style perfectly consistent. Now, let's bring these frames to life. Select your first rendered frame, click Animate, and change your configuration model over to OmniFlash. Set your timeline duration slider between 8 to 10 seconds, drop in the corresponding motion prompt from your ChatGPT generation block, and hit render. Do this for the remaining clips. For the voiceover narration, copy the full paragraph script block from ChatGPT and open ElevenLabs. Pick a clean, expressive voice profile that matches your video's mood, paste the script array, and hit Generate. Once the audio file is ready, drop it along with your video clips into CapCut and align the transitions to the voice track. Now, to clear out the Google Flow branding logo before you post, you have 2 quick options. You can either jump over to Erasio.io, upload your finished video file, and let it clean the corner watermark out automatically. Or you can install the direct download Chrome extension to pull the clean asset straight out of the Flow dashboard layout. Let's preview the final high retention short together.
Here's something strange. Most people think rich people simply have more money, but that's not what actually makes them wealthy. The biggest difference is how they think before they spend. When most people get extra,
hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss out on the freshest viral AI creation setups the second they drop. See you in the next workflow.